to unban someone from Discord server. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device and then on the left side click on the server where you want to unban someone. Then click on the server's name at the top, which will open server settings. Click on server settings. Then on the left side, scroll down and you'll find moderations. In moderations, you will find bans. Click on bans. Now you'll find the person you banned in here. In my case, I don't have any. Then you can simply click on the person and unban them from here. After you do that, they will be unbanned from your specific Discord server. And this is how to unban someone from Discord server. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.